Okay, guys, now you can see, remember I showed you this from that the summer hut like place. This is a better view point, and you can see to the left, just beyond the Wangidigala Kanda, is the Pettigala range that is in Balangoda. I guess I'm right. So now in the foreground you can see the Wangidigala Kanda and the entire Gommolliya range looking as gorgeous as ever. And to the right is the Horton Plains and the Greater World's End. I'm sure the Small World's End is also somewhere there, because when you're looking directly from World's End, you can see the Gommolliya range from the front view. Now this is actually, we are seeing it from a side, that's why you can see the entire range. Now I'm going to show you the road that we walked on. You can see this beautiful tea estate, Idalgashinna tea estate, looking as glamorous as ever. Just amazing. It's all quiet except for the tiny streams flowing and the birds chirping. There's the rustle of the leaves because of the breeze, which is quite cool and soothing. And this is the state road that we walked on. Nice and shady, beautiful, and makes you feel close, ever so close to the heaven. I can see our target, Idalgashinna Peak, onto my right, but the sun is on that side, so I can't show you that. Okay folks, it's time for us to move on. We'll see you later.